English conversation practice.
A conversation about getting directions to the train station and airport. Let's get started.
Excuse me, can you help me find my way to the nearest train station?
Of course, I would be happy to help. Which train station are you trying to get to?
I need to get to the central station. Do you know how to get there from here?
Yes, you're in luck. The central station is just a few blocks away from here. Just continue straight on this street until you reach the intersection, then turn left. You'll see the station on your right-hand side in about 2 blocks.
Thank you, that's very helpful. Do you know how long it takes to get there by foot?
It shouldn't take you more than 10 to 15 minutes to get there on foot, depending on how fast you walk.
Alright, that sounds doable. I'm actually trying to get to the airport from there. Do you know the best way to get there?
Sure, there are a few options. The easiest and quickest way to get to the airport would be by taking the train directly from the central station. The train runs every 20 minutes or so, and the trip takes about 30 minutes.
That sounds great. I'm glad I can take the train. Do you know where to buy the ticket?
Yes, there are ticket machines at the station. You can buy your ticket there using cash or a credit card. Alternatively, you can download the train company's app and buy the ticket from there.
That's very helpful. Thank you. Just one more thing, if I miss the train or if there is any delay, do you know how often they run?
Yes, the trains run very frequently, so you shouldn't have to wait long. During peak hours, they run every 10 minutes or so, and during off-peak hours, they run every 20 to 30 minutes.
That's great. Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. I'm glad I could help. Have a safe trip.